Welcome to Whitlock Garage, where we're united by trucks. Today, we're back at the truck farm with John, and we're headed out on another adventure. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, we're back at the truck farm. We're headed out on another adventure. We'll keep you posted on that here in a minute. As you can see behind me, we've got the C Plenty Suburban. I told you in the previous episode, I'll link up here and down in the description, that we were trying to get this Suburban ready for Battle in Bama at the beginning of May. Well, that didn't happen. Plans changed. We decided to put our money, put our time, put our focus into Teddy, so we'll be taking Teddy down to Battle in Bama. That said, we're going to be moving the Suburban up in the pasture for now, but we're not putting it out to pasture. It's coming up soon. We're going to be working on it, and we'll bring more of that to you as we get going. So, me and John are headed out on an adventure today. Y'all hang tight, and we'll show you what we're up to. There's John getting the trailer all set up. It's empty right now. It's got a few leaves on it, like it's been sitting for a little while. We're about to change all that. So here's C Plenty, the burb. John's getting the tractor ready. We're gonna pull it up in the pasture just for now, until we're ready to do a couple things to it. Thing's still holding air in the tires. Obviously got the no motor, no trans lift in the front, but this thing's gonna be a cool beast. It is a cool beast, as I see it anyway.
I sat there and rested a few minutes and I thought, shit, I gotta have a shower.
Well, you look clean, got a fresh haircut and everything.
Yeah.
Got that new C10 Club Georgia hat on. Alright, well, GoPro fell off of there. Let's jump back in and continue this. I'm gonna pull it right up here next to our other 73 C20. We're gonna call that. So we're officially in business here. We got the C Plenty burb and the C20 truck. So I got John in the truck with me.
Hey everybody.
We're headed back up to Murphy, North Carolina. If you saw the video where we went and looked at all the cool cars in the warehouses, that's where we were. We're actually going back to buy a truck from that fella. It's not a nice truck. It's a truck farm style truck, a Whitlock Garage style truck. It's a project, but we're actually headed up there right now to do that. So we'll show you as soon as we get there what that looks like. And man, it's a beautiful day in Georgia, a beautiful day up in North Carolina. So we're really glad to be jerking a trailer around. So y'all stay tuned and we'll show you what we're working with. Alright guys, so it's super windy out here, but we got this empty trailer and that's going on it. 72 roller. We have no idea what we're gonna do with it yet. Can't pass up the factory 72 short bed. 5 lug. And short bed step side. So we're gonna get this bad boy loaded up. Don't want it to roll too far. You can see we got this bad boy loaded up. Killer 72 short wheelbase roller. Got some good parts on it. Definitely got a good chassis. Has a disc brake, front end, 5 lug all the way around. So something that's really cool to have and a great builder, great foundation for a build. So y'all hang tight. We're gonna head back to Georgia. We'll catch up with you here in just a minute. All right guys, so we just showed you the 72 roller. We spotted this C30 that I think we showed in the previous video where we were up here checking out some of the cars they had. And I think we're gonna take this home or come back and get this. Used to be pretty clean. 1 ton, 6.2 diesel. I think it's an 85. It's definitely 80s for sure.
I'll get off the window.
So it's got one bad fender on this side. Got a little hole in this rocker over here.
It's got a little trying to come through on this side. Nothing.
It ain't too bad.
I wish those lights weren't missing. Them hard to find. They make those LEDs for everything.
John, will you pop the hood on this thing?
It's already popped.
Oh, is it? Oh, well, duh. Walk right by it, didn't you? Might not be able to get it up with this camera in my hand. Oh, I can. It's complete. Fresh battery, or at least relatively new. Heck yeah. Power steering. All right. Sway bars up front.
It'll look cool.
All right, guys, we'll keep y'all posted on whether we make this one happen. I think we are. So here we are at the truck farm. We're at the entrance you've never seen. There's an old cow skull. We got this 72 roller, step side short bed on the trailer. We're about to put it off in the pasture until we get ready to make something of it. Alright guys, so you can see we made it back to the truck farm with the 72 roller. Hope you enjoyed taking a sneak preview look at that 85 square body dually. We're going to be bringing that home soon, and we got a couple of other purchases up our sleeve, so we'll show you those as we get those. Really appreciate you tuning into Whitlock Garage and this special truck farm episode. We got a lot more going on with John and the truck farm coming up soon, so thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button below the screen there and leave us a comment letting us know what you think about the 72 roller we just bought and the square body dually that we're bringing home soon. We got more for you coming up soon. Hang tight, and thanks for tuning in to Whitlock Garage. Oh, and check out this sunset. You just can't beat that. I didn't put up a video today.
Cue the music.